The great sage Maitreya continued, "Being thus enlightened in complete spiritual knowledge by the son of Brahma, one of the Kumars who was complete in spiritual knowledge, the king worshipped them in the following words." In this verse, the word Atma Medasa is commented upon by Sripad Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur, who says that Atmani means unto Lord Krishna, Paramatma. Lord Krishna is Paramatma, Ishvara Parama Krishna. Therefore, one whose mind is acting fully in Krishna consciousness is called Atma Medha. This may be contrasted to the word Griha Medhi, which refers to one whose brain is always engrossed with thoughts of material activities. The Atma Medha is always thinking of Krishna's activities in Krishna consciousness. Since Sanat Kumar, who was a son of Lord Brahma, was fully Krishna conscious, he could point out the path of spiritual advancement. The word Atmagati refers to that path of activities by which one can make progress in understanding Krishna.